Hello everyone, hope you happy in learning English. Today, we'll learn how to use good and well. Good is an adjective and must modify a noun. Example, she is a good student. Well is usually used as an adverb. Example, she works well. Well is occasionally used as an adjective. It is used as an adjective only when it means to be in good health, such as John was sick, but now he is well. Let's apply good or well in the following sentences. 1. He does his work. 2. She plays the piano very. 3. He is a pianist. 4. This pen does not work. 5. Our lunch today was very. 6. These exercises are for us. 7. How do you feel? Thank you. 8. This new pen writes. Corn.
Do you know the answers? Let's try. 1. He does his work well. 2. She plays the piano very well. 3. He is a good pianist. 4. This pen does not work well. 5. Our lunch today was very good. 6. These exercises are good for us. 7. How do you feel? Well, thank you. 8. This new pen writes well. Wish you happy in learning.